Hello. Today I want to talk about my daily routine. This is my right day. I wake up at 5:13 a.m. I wash my face, my teeth. When I meditate for 5 minutes. At 6 o'clock a.m. I exercise at home for only 1 hour. And 7 o'clock a.m. I eat breakfast. I eat healthy food. At 8, 8 o'clock a.m., I'm studying and do my work. I'm studying in 12:30 p.m. From 12:30 p.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. I have Sena class. They are in person. I am in class during at time. From 6 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. I have university class. At 10 o'clock p.m. I eat dinner. Then I ready and listen to music. At 10:30 p.m. I go to sleep. I sleep usually uh, 3, 5:13 a.m. o'clock. This is my daily routine. It is both, but I like it. Thank you.